Did you know that the average writer spends over 40% of their time on research and outlining, leaving only 20% of their time for actual writing? By leveraging AI tools, you can reclaim that lost time and produce high-quality content with ease. One of the most significant challenges professionals face when using AI writing tools is maintaining a human touch. No one wants to sound like a robot, but the fear of over-reliance on AI holds many back from exploring its full potential. Today, we're going to bust this myth and show you how to write better with AI without sacrificing your unique voice. Let's start with the basics. AI writing tools have come a long way since the early 2020s, and today's models are incredibly sophisticated. We'll be using the popular AI writing assistant, Writer Genie, to demonstrate how to incorporate AI into your writing workflow. For those unfamiliar, Writer Genie uses advanced natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms to analyze context